Hello from Disney's Yacht Club. We are staying here tonight in a water view room, so we're gonna give you a tour around and show you what you get when you stay at the Yacht Club. As you enter the room, you're going to have your closet on this left side here. So you have some space for some hanging clothes, and then you will have a luggage rack as well as some extra pillows and blankets over there, some storage below as well. And then this is also going to be where you'll have your iron as well as your ironing board, and then your personal safe. Across the way is going to be the bathroom. So you have 2 sinks here. You have a nice storage area underneath here as well. Of course, you have a hair dryer. And then with a pocket door, you have a separate area here for your shower. So this is going to be a bath and shower combo. And then you also have the toilet in here as well. Going into the main living area, you'll have 2 queen beds. There are a couple options for other layouts as well, so having a king size bed. And you do have a pull-out sleeper here too, so this can actually sleep up to 5 people. And all of these rooms are going to have a balcony. So our balcony, we have more of a patio because we are on the first floor, but beautiful view over here with the water view. And then we do have our coffee setup and a desk as well if you need to do some work while you're here. So Disney's Yacht Club is a pet-friendly location, so if you do have a pet that you want to bring with you, you can do that here. This is going to be one of the locations that does require specific room types for pet-friendly rooms. So if you do need to do that, just check for that through your travel advisor or speak with Disney when you are going ahead to book that. You will have to note that once you have made your reservation. That's going to do it for today, but if you have any questions or if you've stayed at the Yacht Club and you have a review, I would love to hear it below in the comments. And as always, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and if we can help you with your Disney vacation, be sure to reach out.